Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Rainy forecast keeps Maple Street residents on edge. Residents on Maple Street in Manchester were prepared for wet weather this weekend with sandbags and a water pump out on the street Sunday. Residents of this neighborhood have grown accustomed to flooding and take precautions, but many are wondering when more permanent fixes will be put in place. Neighbors said their yards often flood during heavy rain. Cornez home has flooded twice. Daniels estimate the repairs of his home and backyard have reached almost 100,000. The sandbags and water pump are strategies the city has used in the past, residents said. Neighborhood residents were told that because of the rainy forecast, Department of Public Works employees would be checking in on the area. Last week, neighbors got to sit down and meet with DPW officials over formal plans to make permanent changes, but that's years away and millions of dollars to invest. DPW recently hired an engineering consult firm to assist in the planning process for a long-term solution. Mayor Joyce Craig's office said DPW is planning to have a schedule for all short-term mitigation measures completed by the end of next week. Those plans will be shared with the public when ready. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your Sunday night, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with more news reports. Good night, everyone. Bye.